Look at all that meat in there. You see? You're gonna have cracking in your balls.
Can I get extra pickle?
Yes, ma'am.
That's gonna be extra? Okay, because you was gonna get it, Cletus. Oh gosh! This is disgusting! You darn skippy out of here! Ooh. Hey, my go-getters, it's G.I.T. with Larger. Yes, yes, we are trying to get through this. Rona, Barracuda, all up here making our lives a living testament of Job. Okay, so what we're gonna do is I took out my hair because beauty is almost out the door. So what you got to do is you have to use what you got to get what you need. Okay. So this is a vlog on my day off. We had a big rainstorm here. It was so bad it looked like it was a tornado, and I'm off, and I had so many plans of doing so many different things, going to the bank, catching up on my bills. Because I have a central job, I'm still working. I don't get no privileges of not working. I could not work, but you have to have proof of that. And if I was decided that I wanted to, I could. But anyways, I'm still at work serving the public. What I'm doing right now, Cat Lamar, I'm washing my wig. This is the wig of G.I.T. Yes, she's been through a strain, so we gotta make sure we take care of her. She's already been shampooed. Where's my conditioner? I use Mane and Tail. Very, very good shampoo. Conditioner now. Put it on my hands. Really, it's not open? Okay. You switch the wig around. People that knows how to wash wigs. You don't wash it like it's on your head. You let the natural flow of the wig of whichever way it's going in. That's what you want to do. Oh, I know. We're going to get through this. We're going to get through this. So, yes. Washing my beautiful wig. I already washed it, shampooed it 2 times. Because I don't want you to see all that you don't need to see. Yes, and you just want to brush it through. The conditioner. My baby. And it's a very, very, very good wig. And it's human hair. That's the best. And I think it was made in China. No pun intended, but I think it was. Okay. So we're going to merge it into the water and just stroke it lightly. Real light. Yes, real light. Let the hair flow in its natural state. Pick it up. This is not going to be a very long video. I just want to make sure Rona is not on my wig. And I'm going to take a little break from my wigs. Wear them in the house when I'm making videos. It's just a lot. We're gonna take 2 hands, put it in there, just kind of shake it like that. And we let it air dry. Oh, I forgot my towel first, so I can pat it. Pause for the cause. We're here. And we just want to bring up the bottom and just push down on it. Okay, move it over. Push down on it. Nice and hard. Push it, hold it. Push it, hold it. Push it, hold it. You can add a blow dry to it if you wanted to. but it's a short wig, so it's kind of different. Kind of shake it in your hand. Get your brush. Make sure you brush the hair the same way it goes. Okay, we have Lucinda over here. My buddy, I love her. Yeah, she's been in a lot of videos. She's already been washed and conditioned. So we're gonna pop her off. Bye, Lucinda. Bye. Okay. So we're gonna take G.I.T., put her here, and we're gonna let her dry. I'm gonna take a blow dry and blow dry it while it's on me because that's the best way to do it. Let me get my brush. Okay, so, and mind you, we have no electricity. Electricity has been out. So, we're just gonna deal with what we are dealt with. You're gonna let her dry, and then we will be back with a blow dryer.
I'm ready to go then.
So now we're going to blow dry.
Oh.
Forgot the electricity is out.
Oh God. I forgot. Oh my gosh.
Oh my.
It's a wrap.
All right, so
What can we do?
we can let it air dry on the head.
That sounds like a perfect idea.
All right.
And natural at that.
Mm-hmm. But it's so good to have it on the head. Okay. Where's my brusher?
Did it get swept up in the
No, I
towel?
got it. Did you say it?
Did it get swept up in a
Oh,
towel?
okay. No, I got it. So. Alrighty then. Yes, this is. But anyways, this is it. Okay, this is it. I've been watching my African movies all day, relaxing, chilling, going over bills, because I still have to work, wearing my mask, making sure I do all the essential things that I need to do. It is what it is. But this right here is a very, very good wig head. And it's very, very hard to get. They was having a sale at the store, and they was selling them for $5.99.
Dirt cheap.
So I bought 3, and I kept 1, and I gave 1 to my niece, Drew, Jada. She has a channel. Check her out, because she be doing her thing. And my sister, Irene. Yes. 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 So then when I went back there to get 3 more, they stopped selling them. Because whoever sold them was not supposed to sell them. And online, you cannot find them. You can't find them. When I got her, she did have eyelashes, but I be using her to taper my look, so eyelashes got short. But when you wash your wig on there, let it air dry, looks very good.
Very.
Yes. Anyways, this is a short video. I'm gonna sign out. I just want everybody to be safe out here, prayed up. Again, I'm not bored because I'm still working. But the ones that feel that you're bored, you're not bored. As long as you have Jesus in your life, you're never bored. It's a Job situation that we're going through, and we're gonna get through this. Okay? Job got through it. We'll get through this. You just got to keep praying and keep faith that this will all pass. And stay where you are. Stay with family. FaceTime family that you can't go visit because you don't want to travel. You're going too far, and and it's airborne, and you don't want. It's just a lot that we're doing, and I know people that's at home is like, oh my gosh, it's ridiculous. And me as a YouTuber and a mukbang channel and do cakes and do vlogs, it's hard. I can vlog every day on my way to work, which I might start because I'm not going into any grocery stores ever again because I work in one. But I'm not going to go to Walmart. I made a vlog when I went to Walmart. That's it. I don't think I'll go to another one. I just wanted to do that for my YouTubers and my go-getters and my family. Anyways, we're going to sign out. You have anything to say? No, I'm fine. Oh, yes. We're about to get it in. Anyways, this is my natural hair. So I might have to start wearing my natural hair because with the face mask and my glasses and my breath, which is beautifully smelled, it goes up into the mask. It kind of heated all in this area, and then it has nowhere to escape because I got a wig cap and a wig. So we have to let the head breathe so it can go out the head. Something got to give. We're gonna get through this. So with that being said, Kat Lamar Nandi, did you want to say anything? She's our camera person today. She looks busted behind the camera.
Oh, I'm not saying nothing. I'm not saying nothing.
No, she looks good.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, she looks like a person that's in a shut-in, and she's enjoying her. Was you off today?
No.
Oh, you go to work today?
Think so.
Oh wow.
I think I do.
What's today?
Monday? I don't
Oh,
know.
I got a headache.
My days are running into each other.
I know, we can't remember what day is what day. It's just like we get so confused. It's
ridiculous. It's ridiculous.
It's so much going on that I can't remember the one day from the next day.
Yeah, I've been working back to back to back to back to back.
You must go to work today. What time you gotta be to work? Never mind. Anyways, we're gonna sign out. Peace, love,
And hair grease.
hair grease, and clean your wigs. We don't want Rona all up in here. So clean your wigs, stay safe, spend time with family, play games, watch TV, watch Netflix, because I've been catching up on a lot of shows and stuff, like I said earlier. But we're going to get through this. We are.
Right.
Peace.